Hi everyone, my name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Simple Active Barrier Care Soothing Water Cream, 15% skin conditioners plus aloe. So, I received this as PR and I was like, okay, amazing, because I generally like simple products and I'm like, okay, great, this is a good opportunity for me to do first impressions and to review this product with you guys, tell you my honest opinion. So let's open it up. Like I saved this, I said I wasn't going to open it, we're going to do it together. So that's what it looks like in there. And it says, I'm very curious to use this. I'm very hyped to use this. So just judging from what it says, this is supposed to be very, very hydrating, because, and then calming as well, because aloe vera is a very hydrating and calming ingredient. And yes, it says organic aloe vera calms irritation for moisturized, soothing and replumbed skin. Yeah, it doesn't have colors, so no colors, no perfumes, no harsh chemicals that can upset the skin, non-animal derived and vegan friendly. Yeah, doesn't have any fragrance to it. It's just, it's quite wobbly. So I'll just take a little bit and put it at the back of my hand. I think I took a little too much, but that's fine. So that's what it looks like right there. It already feels very hydrating. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to, apply it on my skin, but first things first, I have cleansed my face, and after cleansing my face I also toned my face and everything. So now my skin is all ready to use this hydrating product. So let's get straight into it. Like I said, first things first, it doesn't have any fragrance to it, so that's the quantity I've just taken. Let me apply this. It glides on really well, and it honestly feels very cooling on the skin. Interesting. Well, I'm not surprised. Like, simple always gets it for me. So this is what my skin looks like. Bear in mind, I also used a hydrating serum, so just to boost my skin. So this is what my skin looks like, my face looks like. So I'm already impressed with it. What quantity? Okay, you get 50 ml worth of product in here. So guys, that's what my skin looks like. So guys, I took just a little break, just a couple of minutes. I stepped out and I came back, and I did notice something. And you know that in this video I am 100% honest with you guys. So judging from the moisturizer I applied at the back of my hand, it has fully absorbed into the skin. However, my hand doesn't really feel exactly, it feels slightly moisturized, but I would have thought that it would be, it's just a tad bit more moisturized, but the weather is quite drying, so that's understandable, and this will help me judge this cream even better. And for my face still appears dewy. However, I noticed that it has it's not as dewy as it was when I applied it, which is very normal. So in essence, I would say that this will be very suitable for people with oily skin, in the sense that it is not greasy, it does not linger on the skin, it does not feel heavy. But if you have dry skin, or if you have dry skin, dehydrated skin, this might not be the best option for you, unless you are planning to apply this and then go over it with, say, a face oil or something that is a bit heavier. So, but the good thing is that for people with acne prone skin, oily skin, this would be really amazing for you. Or if you are also in the tropics, or where the temperatures are in the 30s, like 27, 30, and it's quite humid, this would be a very good choice for you. So what I'm going to do now, since I generally, this isn't honestly working for me now. This is not something that I would reach for at the moment because it is winter time and it is not as, moisturizing as I would expect. But I know that I would use this during summertime because then my face will be spitting oil, so I won't even want any heavy product. So that's it, guys. So this is a very good one, once again, for people with oily skin or people in the tropics, or if you're going on vacation and you want that light moisturizer that will not leave your face heavy or greasy. This is it. But if you have dry skin, this is not the best option for you. Yes, that's it. Basically, that's it for me in a nutshell. Yes, so like I said, I'm always very honest with you guys. So I think that's pretty much it's concerned about this simple moisturizer. Yes, I hope you guys found this video really helpful. So once again, let me reiterate the steps you want to follow when using this. First, you want to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Follow up with a toner if you have one, otherwise that's it. Use your serums if you have one, otherwise you can skip it. Then you use your moisturizer. After using this, if it's in the daytime, ensure you end with a broad spectrum SPF, but if it's nighttime, just end here. That's it, guys. So easy breezy. But if you want to see an in-depth video of me using this with maybe any other skincare product, don't hesitate to drop that in the comment section and say, okay, Oluchi, please could you do a video with this and how to use this simple moisturizer with, say, another product or all by itself. I will be more than happy to do that. So with all that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this or if you're considering trying it. So with all that being said, I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.